We clean our hands, we scrub our homes, we wash, rinse, and repeat every day. But the soaps and cleaners we trust often contain petroleum based chemicals, microplastics, and synthetic toxins, polluting the planet while harming our skin, air, and health. The packaging of these products are often single use plastics which go into the rivers and oceans. Sustainable alternatives exist, but are often expensive and beyond the reach of everyday families. That's where we come in. Introducing Bubbles, a sustainable, affordable solution that cleans everything without costing the earth. Our brand offers two products which are manufactured in school by the students: a multi-purpose organic household cleaner that works on floors, toilets, mirrors, and utensils. And we did not just stop there. We also created a 100% organic soap, handmade, biodegradable, and wrapped in recycled paper. Our brand Bubbles emerged from a series of unsuccessful attempts at creating an organic cleaner and soap. We failed with the potato based soap, then the flour glue idea for packaging flopped. That's how Bubble was born, not from perfection but from persistence. But we think the journey is far from over. Bubbles is an eco-friendly, cost-effective and sustainable product that is manufactured from waste such as lemon peels. It uses natural, multi-purpose and plastic-free components. Its influence on a clean hand and world is evident. The Indian eco-cleaner market is growing rapidly, with a projected $829 million by 2030. The broader home hygiene sector is also growing at a 9.6% CAGR. Consumers are driving the shift, demanding multi-use, biodegradable and affordable products. The top brands hold only 40% of the organic home care market, which means that nearly 60% of the market remains open, indicating significant growth potential. We are building for those who care. Our first priority is to cater the needs of teachers and parents. We then want to expand our customer base to eco-conscious individuals and other alternatives. Our first target is to sell directly online and partner with schools and NGOs by organizing pop-up fairs. We then want to run DIY workshops and even go live on e-commerce platforms and other alternatives. Made with care, sold with impact. The cost to make the soap is Rs 38 and we sell it at Rs 50. And the cost to make the cleaner is Rs 53 and we sell it at Rs 80. Our price range as compared to other competitors as shown on the screen is cheaper and more affordable for everyone. Bubbles is on a mission to transform the hygiene market with student-led manufacturing, zero-waste packaging, and eco-learning in schools. With 25 to 30% profit growth projected in 5 years, we're scaling a clean revolution for the entire planet. Clean living, cleaner planet. Thank you for listening.